So I'm going to go ahead and write out actually what this is equal to here, but I'm going to write it down here. So you need to try to work this out and get the same thing that I get. So this should be negative 8 over k raised to the third power, and then I'm going to do this here, k times k plus 1 times 2k plus 1. That's all over 6. Put a bracket around that. And then we have plus 12 out here. Plus 12. And I don't know, we'll put a parentheses around everything. This limit is when you take the limit of this. Okay, so you're going to have to do a little working out there. And I've got a section on limits. So when you get this all worked out, this should equal 28 over 3, which is, thinking, let's see, 28 over 3, that's like approximately, it's approximately like 9.33. Now what I've done here is I wrote a short program in Python, and we're going to shoot out some values when k is 1, 2, 3, 4, and up to 5. No, actually we're going to go to a big number. We're going to try to approach this 9.33. Alright, I was barely able to get everything on the screen. Anyway, this is written in Python. This down here is that is the with the limit. Remember, as the limit as k goes to infinity. And in this particular case, I'm letting my k be c. So c is going to increase, and of course we're going to go to 1,000 because we're going to try to approach that 9.33. I don't think we're going to get there, but anyway, and of course it barely ends with the parentheses here. So this is code written in Python. I highly suggest you get involved with some programming if you're going to be studying math, or hell, I guess just about anything else. You can go to the Python website, download their software, and anyway, I'll copy and paste this right below the video where you can get it. Now actually I think what I'm going to do here is we're going to go to 5. So let's see, you gotta run, then you gotta save it. Okay, these are some values actually from, I just ran this code a little while ago, checking it out. Alright, let's, well, it's down below. Okay, so if we only had one rectangle, we'd get a 4. 2 rectangles, you would get 7. 3 rectangles, 4 rectangles, and of course this is the one we calculated earlier, was 5 rectangles, which was approximately 8.48. Now let's do a bunch of rectangles and see what this thing converges towards. So I'm going to go up here in the code, change this to 1,000. Now what we're going to see is a big bunch of scrolling numbers. So remember, this is when k, as you can see over here, this is k, so the number of rectangles are increasing, and this would be the approximate area actually under the curve. I've got 30 more seconds in this video, and let's see how close we could possibly get. So right now we're at 9.31. Now I'll just tell you that the theoretical value is 28 over 3. Of course that was something we just calculated by actually doing the limit. So if you actually forgot your calculus, and I think we're going to run out of time here because I'm going to end this video here in a few seconds, but as you can see, it's converted